my friend.
Not true. Alright, people, Jamaica Uncut, and we down a Blue Lagoon, the famous rafting spot in a Porty. See? So, right now, the man they are going to build him raft and thing. Right there, Rasta?
Respect, you know, brother.
Yeah, man, blessed love, man.
You have to go and
See?
the water, you know?
Ah. How long it take you to build one of them?
I just had to take the bill one, you know?
1 day?
Yeah.
I was saying. And where you get the bamboo them?
In the hills, we cut them, you know?
Eh?
We up in the hills, we cut
And then how you carry them down?
we chuck them down, you know?
Ah.
Right up on the chuck. So we have to pay up some stick to make some raft, you know?
Oh.
Yeah.
How you learn to do this?
Our grandparents thing, you know?
Ah,
Banana
see?
thing down the river.
Oh, that they used to use to carry banana?
Yeah, man. The transportation this first time, so I didn't think I had it, you know?
Okay, see?
Straight forward.
And then them realize they can't carry people for them and make money.
Luxury ride, you know?
See? Alright, see it there. Yeah, man.
So you think go on, yeah?
So, can you make them wider or you just them all
You can make
come?
it wider and smaller, man. Anything you want, you know?
Okay, seeing.
Any pattern you want, so all the pattern and you get a pattern, you know?
Oh, so you make them for people?
Yeah, man.
Ah, so the wider it be, I better I stand up on the water, the better I balance.
Carry more load, you know?
And you carry more load.
Yeah.
Ah, seeing. Alright, people, Jamaica Uncut on the street, Porty, Blue Lagoon. I go and do a thing. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I uncut, man. I say go, man. Every time I go anywhere I say uncut the people, they don't know say uncut, you know. Yeah, well, we don't cut nothing, you know. Yeah, well, same so. And the stick them you have to carry them from the hills too?
Yeah, man, cut and stick up in the hills, you know?
I was seeing.
I use man's strength and take them out of the hills, you know?
I was seeing. I was bless up. Yeah, man.
Anything we are doing, brother.
Yeah, man, seeing.
We invent this so we make people feel enjoyment, you know?
I was.
That's how easy work, man. Hard part, much time. What time we go in our hills more time and have to draw down them what I use to put them on the draw down them, you know?
See?
So more time we have to go in the hills and cut them and draw down them. So I hold 1 day to cut them and draw them out for 1 day, you know?
So you have to get somebody else to cut them or you go to cut them?
You pay somebody to cut them and then we go there and draw them out and still let them sit there, you know?
I was seeing, and then you have to pay the man, and you have to pay the truck man.
Yeah, so everything is the money, you know?
So you see that people, so when you come to Blue Lagoon and the man them charge you for the ride, no matter ball cause it's a whole heap of work going on.
I got my experience, man, and I want to my ship less a bill now, you know?
I was saying. So how long now you're up on the water the raft?
20 years now I do this, you know?
Oh, for real?
Yeah, man, born and grow here, man.
And where you learn it from?
Up on the hill, all the hills of them, because them do the set thing for the trend, you know?
Seeing?
So we just come and continue and do the set thing, you know?
I was saying.
Change, you know?
Yeah, man, nothing changed. So you that people...
Every foundation, man, I make the builder, you know?
Ah. So other man Anna will build them too?
No, this is my alone build, man.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, man, I build all this.
Wow. So you see that people come to Blue Lagoon and this man of them say the only man right and we build the raft them.
Yeah, man.
Seeing?
And do the rear ground the rafting too.
Oh, for real?
Yes, and do the rear ground the rafting.
And him build, but you know the raft no more, you just build the raft now.
No, me raft everything in the man. Rear ground there and yassa, man.
Oh, for real?
Raft, if you want to look at rear ground, they can link you.
No, we plan to do that tomorrow still.
Check him.
Alright, so, alright, I'm going to circle my squad and come back.
Yeah, man.
Alright, seeing? So, big up yourself, my brother.
Same, so brother.
Yeah, man, blessed love, man, more power, man, and more love. Go and do your thing, see?
Build up the things, you know?
Yeah, man, how do you, man? Go and hold up your head and do your thing, man.
Yeah, man.
And bless up yourself to my brother.
Yeah, man.
Blessed love.
Bless,
Jamaica Uncut, Portland, Blue Lagoon. Go and do your
famous
thing.
Blue Lagoon, you know?
Yeah, man, same
Paradise.
so. Same so, same
One,
so.
one love.
Blessed love.
Yeah.
Blessed. There's a piranha. Wait it. What we want to find out for you, you know, see? How you get the name piranha?
You know, that thing was a fisherman, though.
I was seeing.
Yeah, you know.
Oh,
Me and I go in the ocean, go shoot, you know, so then say me like the ocean like a piranha.
I want to think of people, this is Jamaican nickname. The rap food you know, man. Jamaican give a man a nickname for everything we do, you know. Alright, so Jamaica Uncut, Blue Lagoon, Portland with there, and we are going to do some rafting with the great Piranha. As the man say, him named Piranha because he was a fisherman and him squatted them, so him love the sea like a piranha. So we are going to enjoy a little raft, make out of bamboo, and just go and chill on the lagoon, you know. What the deepest part of the lagoon? Yeah?
213 feet.
213 feet.
Yeah, going down.
And nobody ever try go down at the bottom of it yet?
Yeah, man, somebody try go down. We have a diver there called David, you know. Hold his breath for like 7 minutes going down and coming up. So that guy is in the Guinness Book of Records for the Blue Lagoon.
And is he a Jamaican?
No, not a Jamaican. He's a white man.
Okay, seen?
Yeah, but he live around here. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, he go the forest to the Blue Lagoon. Yeah, but we have a lot of divers from all over the world, you know. Try to come to bottom with it here, sorry. But David Lee didn't use any one of those things, you know?
Yeah.
3 lungs.
For real?
Yeah, no,
so you ever try dive it?
Yeah, we try go down 3 lungs, but we're not going really far.
Oh, seen?
Yeah.
So how long now you up on the lagoon at the raft?
You know, we up on Lagoon about, at least about 6-7 years now.
And who you learn this thing from?
Grandfather.
See? And your grandfather up on the for how long?
No, he used to do a granny.
Ah, okay.
That's how we get to learn it from him.
See?
Yeah.
And you come from Portland too?
Yeah, man, I come from Moortown.
Maroon Town?
Maroon Town, what they call the Moortown.
Oh, okay, nobody know this.
You know what I'm saying, Moortown?
No, I just know it as Maroon Town. And the bamboo them where you raft on now, you own it or you have to rent it from somebody?
Alright, I own my raft still, you know, but no guy that rent it, but me I own my raft. This is my one.
This is your raft?
Yeah, this is my one.
And who built this?
And we build them up in our countryside, one man down therapy.
Okay.
Yeah, build them.
And you have to go in the hills, go chop the bamboo set speed?
No, them chop it and build it and we just get the truck and go for them.
Oh, you just carry the raft from down here. And you ever raft on the Grande before?
Yeah, man, I do it a couple times well.
Okay, wait, harder than this?
Yeah, you have more knowledge more on it, downstream, like, you know?
Oh.
Downstream, so it's more harder downstream. Here it's like a
Okay.
flat water now.
Okay, okay. And what the hardest part of this whole rafting thing, you know? What the most challenging part?
When time we like when time the tide get high.
Oh.
You when the tide get high, at then time you are challenging part high.
But you still do rafting when the tide high?
Yeah, man, no care high, man.
For real?
Yes, man, no care high with the rafting.
Wow.
Yeah.
See? Alright, people, we're going to enjoy some rafting on the lagoon and just sit down and chill and make Captain Piranha show we are a little vibe, you know? Nice little something.
We never go to the island last time.
No.
We are go down.
Alright, so Piranha, you must ask you now, how long you can use the raft before you need to repair it or get rid of it?
1 year.
1 year?
Yeah.
And then the bamboo them start?
Yeah, they start burst and something and the raft get heavy because water starts caving to them, coming to them now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you know about fix you just get rid of it at that
Go
point?
away with it and get a different one.
So what do you do with the old bamboo them when you're not done?
We like to do like a bonfire. Yes,
Ah.
so we push it in a middle lagoon, pack stick pan it, and do a bonfire in a middle lagoon in most of all.
So people in front of we now is the Monkey Island or Princess Nina Island. So people, as we reach close to the island now, we have like a small beach.
Limestone rock, natural limestone rock.
Yeah. Alright, bricks. Alright, so see the people now we're up on the beach. Yeah. Okay, cool. So if we do a full tour right around the lagoon and go back, how long that usually take?
Alright, so if you're gonna spend time on the island, it can take 1 hour and probably 20 minutes.
Okay, see?
But if you're not going to spend no time, it can take like 1 hour flat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, see. How much people in max can carry from one of them now?
Alright, we have some big ones that can carry 4, but this maximum be like can carry 3.
Okay, see?
Yeah, so that one can carry 3 more.
Okay, cool. Alright people, so we're up on the island, Monkey Island, or aka Princess Nina Island, whichever direction you want to spin that. And we'll go and chill out with Piranha and all the vibes. Jamaica Uncut Road Trip, Portland, Blue Lagoon. Alright people, so this is the mineral rock and this is where them rub on them skin. And it's all like a exfoliation. Scrub up your skin and get rid of a scrubfish look. And your skin smooth and nice. Yeah, that's something there. Right out of the earth. People don't know if you can see the turtle them. Oh, I see one here. Alright, Piranha, bless up yourself and thanks for the tour, my brother. Yeah, man. Seeing. Yeah, man. Blessed love, man. Go and do your thing and go and hold up your head, my brother.
Alright, boss.
Yeah, man. See him, so we do it, man. So, people, Jamaica Uncut, Blue Lagoon, Piranha, cut out.
Big up Jamaica Uncut.
Blessed love, my brother.
Blessed
Bless up,
love
bless
all
up,
the
bless up, bless up, yeah, man. Every time.